Today, let's talk about how to add Rake chat to your WordPress website. So let's go to Plugins and go to Add New, and then search for Rake chat. Here we are. Install, activate, and now our plugin will be listed at the top. You will need to go back to Rake and get the code needed to add the widget. In Rake, you will need to go to the workspace editor and then down to widgets. You'll need to be an owner or an administrator to retrieve the code. So click on your configuration, go to show code, and then copy the hash. WordPress uses this smaller code versus the larger code. So click copy hash, and let's go back to WordPress. Enter your widget hash, and we have our widget enabled. Let's take a look at our display settings. We have a few different options available for you. Some of the basic ones are to always display the widget. We have a hide option, so maybe you're doing maintenance on your website. You can hide that. And then we have a little more specific scenarios on when you would want the widget to be displayed. When business hours are open and when agents are available. So this is going to check your business hours listed in Rake, and it's going to check if there's anyone in your workspace set to available to answer this chat. We also have when business hours are open or when agents are available. So if your business hours are open, we will have the widget displayed. If it's after hours and an agent is available, the widget will still display. And here we have only workspace hours are open. So the widget will only be displayed during business hours, and it will be displayed whether or not an agent is available. And here, only when agents are available. So we will not look at your business hours, and we will only look at when an agent is available throughout the day. We also have an option here to encourage more chats. So here, open widget maximized on page load. So when your website loads, the widget will automatically open. We have more options here on which pages you would like to display the widget. We also support Google Analytics, but this is more for advanced users. So if you are familiar with Google Analytics, we are able to send events.